Today we are going to discuss counting triangles in a figure. So whenever I am saying we are going to count something, right? Do it on a paper. Don't do it in your mind, okay? So first rule is stop doing this in your mind. Second, start doing it on paper. Okay, these are the rules. Now let's discuss. Suppose this is your triangle. Then how many triangles are there? Only one, right? There is only one triangle here. Okay, now suppose this is your triangle, right? Let's say this and this. Then how many triangles are here? So basically, if you see, there is one here, two here, third one is here, fourth one is bigger one. Okay, now where is fifth one? This here is fifth one with triangle number 1 and 2 are going to make triangle number 5. Okay, then triangle number 2 and 3 is going to make triangle number 6. Okay, so there are total 6 triangles. Okay, but this is not a smart way. Okay, what you are doing is like so common and so obvious, but it is taking time. The time we don't have. Okay, so the trick is, here comes our trick. This was your question, right? So just start counting the triangles in the base. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now what we need to do is just add them up. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Okay, previously we have done same thing, but it was taking time. Okay, now we did this in like maybe 10 seconds, right? So 10 seconds is like efficient time. Okay, now suppose triangle like this one, maybe just draw one, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, the figure is like this. Then if this is the figure, start counting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now this is also taking time, correct? If there are like 10, then how will you like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. You don't have that much time, right? But what you can notice here is this is a sequence of n number up to given number, like here 5 natural numbers, right? Natural numbers, and sum of natural numbers is sum of n is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So in this question, right, this here our n is equal to 5, right? So summation of n is equal to 5 is 5 into 6 divided by 2, that is 15. So the number of triangle in a given figure, we can easily count that just by adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are natural numbers, with the formula of summation of natural numbers. Okay, so whenever someone is going to like ask you how to count the triangles in a figure, you will be having this kind of questions. Okay, now consider different scenario. Okay, so in this scenario, suppose there is a square. Okay, and now the number of triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, but triangle number 1 and 2, like two triangles are also making a single triangle. Okay, 1 and 2 is making 1 and 2 making triangle 5. Okay, 2 and 3 here, this 2 and 3 is also making triangle number 6. Okay, and 3 and 4 is also making triangle number 7. Okay, and 4 and 1, right? 4 and 1 making triangle number 8. So number of triangles in this figure is total 8. Again, this is not a smart way to calculate number of triangles in a figure. Okay, so just by doing this, you won't be able to solve question efficiently and in the time. So consider this. Okay, so if someone asks how many triangles are there, what is the answer for this question? Okay, so for this kind of question, just start counting the number of triangles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and multiply that by 2. So 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. This is the answer. So number of triangles in this figure is 16. Okay, there are 16 triangles. In our previous question, it was like this, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, right? This took 7 seconds. Okay, so basically we are doing calculation efficiently. Okay, so these are the example question. You should be able to solve this. Okay, so we have seen that in a triangle like this, we were counting 1 2 3, correct, and we were adding them up. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. But in this scenario, what is happening is there are multiple bases, 1 2 3, right? There are 3 bases. Okay, so count the number of triangles on each basis. Okay, so for base number 1, that is going to be 6. For base number 2, it is going to be 6, and for base number 3, it is going to be 6. So total number of triangle is going to be 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 18. Okay, the same question, but the number of triangles in this figure. Tell me what is going to be the number of triangles. Again, we are going to number them, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. For this outer square, right, that outer square, it is 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16. Okay, now for middle square, right, it is again going to be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16. And for the center one, this center one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, center square is again 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16. So overall is 48, right? So this is how we find the number of triangles in a figure. Okay.